Hey, madam. Madam, what? I'm good, and you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. Oh, madam. Ready today? All right, thank you. Dia Mandera, Kupin Tequila, Amanda Zapao, It's me here. Madam.
Oh, yeah, it was.
Can't say I can.
Yeah, now we change now, don't she? Now we do them and break my dear by you out.
Breaking the man. Jordan, why are you risking your life?
You know, I'm a professional driver, that's why. So
No.
I manage things.
No. A backer maintenance. Management in Libya. I didn't say I need as a son. Yes? I did not say yes, son.
I'm sorry.
Because you see, in your life now, we put you into risk.
Babe, I'm ready.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah, you're covered.
Sorry. Okay. Just a minute. Jordan,
Boss,
where when you see the other car?
the white car.
When you see the other car, walk by her for when you go see one because change better coin. I want to for you to see one money. But Moko, you may person very risky in life. There, we are professional driver. No one say you should in your breaker. Mr. One the word, I don't want your professional driver. And to use the other car. Why? How good? But catch a company song. You so I heard you are not for the day. Sweetheart.
Yes.
Don't be long, okay?
I won't.
Okay. Do you have enough cash?
Oh, you gave me some yesterday, but you can give me more.
I can give you more. It's okay.
I'm gonna renew.
Manager. And so
Or you give me more.
some with engine. Yeah, can I find out?
Okay, I'm leaving. See
All
you.
right.
Mwah.
Take care.
Alright, baby. Don't miss me. Oh.
Why not? I'll be missing you.
I'll be right back.
In fact, I've started missing you.
I'll be right back.
Jordan, the back at the take as well. Kagani. Use motor good than no.
Cool. White one and go there.
When if you're not going to check a use good.
I want to use back now.
Don't miss a like a use back in. Catch a breaking gun at the fault. Come on,
Thank
Thank you.
take care.
Bye.
I'm a professional driver. Now you say it's me or breaking. I come and the baby agro.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
You're using the white car.
Huh?
You're using the white car.
This one?
Yeah, man.
No, please. I prefer the Benz.
Boss said we should use the white car, so
I want to use the Benz.
the Benz is having a fault, so I don't think you can use it. So let's use the white car, please.
Are you okay?
Please, I'm okay.
I said I want to use the Benz. How are you there? Matna.
Madam, say they be out in nature, so
Today I want to sit in front. Do you have a problem?
you're making it very difficult for me. Oh,
Oh, madam, now
I'm sorry, but at least you always sit here, so why
you
you tell
can't
me?
tell me where to sit.
I'm sorry. Please, can I have a seat?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Chira on crack over there. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
asem can so say possible.
I didn't know any possible.
I can't do that. Besides that, you are my boss wife, so I can't do anything to against my boss. Why are you doing this to me, please?
Jordan, I my catch was say kokumobi, and now Missy Bessie and control BT. Eh? You're a nice guy, Jordan.
I know, but we're married woman, so I can't do anything bad. What I say?
See where we are now,
Madam, who do you need to be a more bet me never have me?
I bet how I did, or you were good seeing Jordan, listen. Obian, okay, I'm not going to tell anybody. Why?
Madam, I can't do it.
It's one year.
I mean to me. Look at him, so look, baby. I've walked all the way from my house to here to pick the car. Only location be a echo. Me kasa, as someone come on, you take any more dinner. I mean, come on, it will go against my work.
It's you person said and see how win you.
I can't do it, please. Mean to me, madam. I beg in the name of Jesus. Mean to me, please. I can't.
Don't me yet.
Madam, you see, I headed towards the river.
Would you be a person in the Kodia family?
I don't want to see that anymore, please.
Hey, Jordan, oh, madam, oh, mammy, warning.
Man, warning, but you know, and you're fine. Oh, I'm a boss wife, say, to come say, we say, yeah, and you're fair. What I say, it's no my, yes, I do. I didn't hear my beg. Please.
What do you ever say?
You need to understand me. What I say, you're doing what I mean. This is a ticket, so I'm not we are. Sorry, and yet. Please.
You, what do you ever say?
You see, I'm feeling sorry.
Problem is also the cause of any passer. See, Jordan, pack in now.
Boss, but you'll be okay.
Jordan, how can I be okay like this? Jordan, what have I done wrong? Is it a crime to love someone?
No.
Am I a bad person?
No, please.
Oh my God. Jordan. Nimuguni.
Boss, okay, you want to make an uncle.
You just imagine, Obama Noti. No pebia me yamau. A demanum crane me yamau. One can name who had their name for crana. I get it for you simply because me perceive we are the best in life. Jordan, we need chi. Just say your basic necessity with ya. Eduane crana and comedian opa. And son him so bema ware for me didi and son me pee crano. Thing, mammy. Inti me bonny am I and say my worry oba na my door. Is it a crime?
Also, wife assembly, I asked him 1% make it. Today, you just come down, why not? You are very fine.
So pass me sorry, I'm matching. Report to be on my sending to me, sorry, I'm matching. Yeah, Juma, oh, sorry, no, what you need no wash, I'm not to me, yeah, Juma. Oh, they me bring in anything, who Dutch in you. Hey, when you know, oh, dear, sorry, at least, oh, then I coffee, cup, get to a cry. Mammy, no man, son, my pee. Jordan, Bonnie Bear Panama.
You're going to time.
Hey,
I found one coming paid any boy want to one kid. What I don't say, Tinko and Opan come on, be a patcho.
the life is not fair.
I understand, but
It's not fair. This is not fair. She's not treating me right.
I understand, please. Your time is fast spent. Let's go out and get something for you to eat, okay?
Do Do you have my bag in the
Yes,
car?
please, I brought it.
And then, please try to remind me that I will make a stopover at Dan's place. I have to take some files from him. Hey. Jordan, what thou? What the demo?
Why for some? They want to say, I am for us a mint me Kevin.
In time, many can say, I'm not lamenting, just some person lamenting. Me shall say no, Nanti, me say, you are more or less like a brother. You are no longer considered as a driver. It's the reason for me complaining to you, but not necessarily say, mpesa me kasa na me kasa. And yes, say be mpesa me say into the me kasa. So that.
I'm sure I'll try and do my best for you. So, you just come down, let's go out and find something to eat.
Well, I hope Sebi.
Yeah, sure.
I hope.
Sure, boss.
Let's go. I hope Sebi there is well.
Daddy.
Yeah, what is it? Talk, I'm listening.
Daddy, I don't want this lady, or I don't know how to describe it. I don't want to ask some more.
No.
No.
Wait. Who are you talking about?
I'm talking about your incoming wife.
She's my wife, for crying out loud.
To you. To
Yeah,
me,
she's my wife, and it's about time you start acknowledging her as your mother.
No.
So for you to address her, this lady, it's not right.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy.
Yeah.
So, are you comfortable things happening like this in this house?
What is happening? What is happening?
So you haven't seen it?
If you
That
want to tell
lady-
me something, open up and tell me what is happening.
That lady, or your wife, or whatever.
Don't go there. I keep warning you. You can't address my wife as that lady. She's your stepmother, for crying out loud.
My stepmother, you said.
Oh, yes. And it's about time you acknowledge that fact. Stop doing that.
Someone who doesn't accept me as a stepdaughter, disrespecting me and stuff.
Good.
Daddy.
You are talking about respect. Respect is reciprocal. You give and you take. The fact that I love you so much doesn't mean I should allow you to disrespect her. She's my wife. Though she's not doing certain things right. But good. It's okay. That's her flaws. But it doesn't mean you should disrespect her. Understand me? Disrespecting her is just like you disrespecting me.
Are you okay? She's disrespecting me, Daddy.
No, I'm not condoning that. Not at all. But what I want you to understand is, you are very young. You are younger than her, isn't it? She might be older than you. And at the bottom of it all, she's your mother.
Oh, yes, your mommy. Obia ombume. Oh, fan me to send it back. Not me, baby Buno. Daddy, I send me on the mekano. Huh?
I'm coming. Ubumi, right?
Me bupa.
Then respect her.
Nah. Obumi a miss me Buno, Daddy. Obia ne like, I don't know how to say it. Your wife, she doesn't cook.
She doesn't cook.
She doesn't clean. Daddy, what are you saying?
Okay, she doesn't cook. She doesn't clean. But at the end of the day, those things, is this place dirty?
It's clean.
So long as it's done, right?
No, she should be the one doing it, Daddy.
Let me tell you this.
Why are you supporting her, Daddy?
I'm not supporting her, but I just want you to understand. She's not cooking, she's not cleaning. Whether Noah swallowed the whale or the whale swallowed Noah, there was a swallow, isn't it? The place is clean. The environment is okay. We eat. Am I starving?
You're not.
Good.
No, me pen the way I was supporting her.
I'm not supporting her, but I don't want tensions. Relax.
Daddy,
No,
I
listen.
won't.
I want you to relax. No, relax. Relax your nerves. I'm talking to her. I know she would change. And I can tell you, I can promise you, I'm sure by the time you return from school next semester, everything will be okay.
No, everything is not going to be okay. I wish my mom was here. Daddy.
There you go again. Let me tell you something.
I miss my mom. Seriously. I miss my mom. My mom can't.
You are missing your mom. I'm missing her as well.
Daddy, you're shouting at me.
No, listen to me. I keep telling you there are certain things. Don't repeat it. We are all missing your mom. But this, I don't want you to be reminding me of her anytime. Please. Don't. Okay?
Daddy, I don't want her.
If we get issues, let's solve it. Don't be reminding me.
In fact, I don't want her as a mom. She's a burden. Daddy, sack her. Sack her. If what you do, I'll be sack her. I don't want her as a mom.
Sack her. She wouldn't do this. I'm tired. Can I get something to eat? I've not taken anything food since morning. Huh?
Yeah, babe. What do you want? There's banana, orange, apple. Mrs. say good to me, mama.
But there's a dessert.
Dessert. This is food. What do you
Food?
want? Yeah.
I don't understand. Is this food? I mean, get me food to eat.
What do you want? Me, I quite don't know.
You, at least get me something like fufu, banku, something, konkonte.
Fufu. Oh, babe. Hey, you know we're on a detox.
If you're on the detox, I'm not.
You need to be on a detox.
Why should I? So that's what you've prepared for me.
But you have choices: banana, apple, orange. And yeah,
You did not promise me this. Remember? Please. When we're going out, you promised me, oh, as soon as we get married, I'm going to get food for you. You're going to eat from home. You wouldn't eat outside again and other stuff. You even prepared something for me some time ago.
I mean, I saw bad power.
No.
The promises are different when we want to get into power. That's what I say.
No, let me get into it. Does that mean the food you gave me those days were fake? You did not prepare it yourself.
Did you ever see me prepare it?
No. Did I ever see you prepare it? Is that what you ask? Meaning you lied to me. Are you telling me you lied?
Yeah. I didn't dare. You know, in some way, so that you would, marry us is different from when we get married. So we'll try and make sure.
Oh, tell me that! What is that? Do I look like a monkey? Banana and granite.
Orange and apple. continue fine, right? The pound.
But are you okay?
What's the problem?
Hey, with my friend and Saboka. Hey, you ready? Bema timiti sika walo ba. I want me no be anema nukunu. Oba besia. What the come and can one money mo kompoi?
Babe, it's not healthy. I'm just trying to make you healthy.
Oh, spare me that rubbish.
Why are you shouting?
Why won't I shout? Is that how to treat a man?
It is that how to talk to a woman.
Say can we ya no me boy. Ya can we ya no. Enya na ye bibi. Bibi na to boni ntra. Eh. Ye kaya ampa. Enya de ahire bia ni sika kokko. Ah. Why?
Oh, babe. I'm listening.
Oh, come on. Some hunu be no no say kutu mami. Timi ya de ma nipa koma ye ne yesei.
I'm just
I'm
concerned. Just concerned about your health.
Concerned about yourself. Let me die. Get me fufu. Let me die. I want to eat banku. Let me die. Let me die. I want to die. Leave me alone. Let me die. I want your love. Let me die. The cheek of it. Concerned about whose health? Are you a medical practitioner? Are you a dietitian? Metiska bon hoka. Wanya me ya wanya wedding ketwa. Wabusu your list. Ne tintin say fish rubaka for me. Only for you to come and give me banana. Say me sad binti. Can no bone ni pre. Say kings will talk.
Babe, no call. Babe. Honey. What's the cereal coming back?
Boss, I hope everything is good.
Manageable.
Yeah, we thank God.
Good work. You're doing well.
Yes, boss.
Keep it up.
Yeah, I'll keep it up.
Okay.
I'll keep it up. Boss, I want to discuss something with you.
Come.
Father,
What is it?
this one, no provoke matter, no abufu.
Okay.
Please. It's like the house I'm in right now. It's like I'm alien. The work is too much, boss. Me pabako, me mobo, me twitwi niam me say akopre chiro basana is too much, boss.
Company.
To baby come on.
I understand you. Me who say you must load no doors.
It's overload.
Oh, then relax it. May I say man.
Guess no so munya hwe. Ketu ayo bayi. Minim say ya
Guess munyo yi.
Oba no. Oba no. Minim say ya plug no wonya hwe.
Ya plug why company.
We ya pe no small. Say me nya
Na
bo
company
flata.
say na be anything. Ejuma na wo ye. Me boa. Enti tobo na ye ejuma.
Say basana isi no nipa me say ejuma me nkwa magye ye. Akatua no so wo from boss.
Company na me say me pu bi aka ho. Mato ase.
Fine.
Na de me pare ndi ade. Ani ya wasem.
What am I, boss?
Huh? Me ba be fa me no bi susu ana me no susu.
No be en susu.
Ah, good.
On say be so bro my dream in tears as well for ask. That's why I'm asking.
Sao de wo ku bi ababo. Me boy. Me po bi amana bo. Se me no bi bo wa na.
I can't wait. I can't wait to have somebody who help me.
I understand you. The thing is, hurry up, huh?
No problem.
And then Jordan Bay late kakrantino or buy and so I be ko baby. To me so we are so we got 2 steps on. Or they will cleaning how you are now.
I got 2 bedrooms so.
What they listen to me company.
Boss.
We are make cleaning mechano. Ansana.
Means I'm cano.
Ansana. Jordan.
Fast and furious level. Who are begging and I take your direction.
There be.
Problem no. Problem no.
We are stubborn.
I get your back. I'll do anything. No problem.
You're stubborn.
Yes. One in a handbag in the ground. Said Robert had na price and also cost. Problem no.
Hey.
Mate.
Company.
How them make one and he na your more. But one side in it, one ban ever.
Company. Listen, so I'm passing me chum. What to ho? And I'm a kai fin a winning baby. Na me trying to that old father, my no hero kai, my winning be that.
Oh, it's a part time and most treated little. Oh, David. Can't give it to a proper.
And say the winning street. So in street.
They say no one say me bahan the machine pa. On the Abaya Bushia. Until black penny be an Wayama.
But I say the winning street.
They will say the ministry. It's a one love. Melco baby, Matty boss. Problem no. Over my baby. When it's Messiah, wash our mamma. Said all kind.
Don't worry. No problem.
No problem. Scaffolding is a but we make a problem. No. One case I had a chair before we ever say I go and watch the car. Money miss road. It's got to do every phone or who control.
Company.
Boss. What again, boss? Is that something?
What ever come? I need to come and off my young man.
No problem. If I finish this one, I will go and do it.
Okay.
Yes.
Would it be real? I will come answer now for them one.
Mate. Tell them for a level possible. No much. Place at the book. I don't want to put